Hey there, finance enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Smart Finance Hub, your go-to channel for all things money smart. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 10 smart lessons about money, straight from Morgan Housel's brilliant work, The Psychology of Money. Stick around and you'll discover how to sidestep those all too common money pitfalls, assess your financial progress, and ultimately chart a course towards financial freedom. So if you're ready to embark on this enlightening journey, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Trust me, you won't want to miss out. Let's dive right in. The first lesson from The Psychology of Money is that no one is crazy. Housel explains that money is a powerful force in our lives and people have different perspectives and experiences with it. This means that your view of money is unique and that's perfectly normal. Reading about money is one thing, but experiencing it is another. Let's illustrate this with a hypothetical scenario. Imagine you're a lottery winner who's been spending money extravagantly for years, thinking it can buy you happiness, security, and respect. However, due to a series of unexpected events, you lose most of your fortune. How do you react? Most people might feel depressed, hopeless, and even blame themselves or the world. But what if you could understand that your view of money was just different from others, shaped by your experiences, beliefs, and biases? This perspective helps us become more open-minded, empathetic, and humble when it comes to money. Next, we have the lesson on luck and risk. Housel emphasizes how these two factors profoundly impact our financial journeys. He uses the example of Bill Gates, who had the luck of early access to a computer, and highlights how both luck and hard work play a role in success. This lesson reminds us to be grateful for the opportunities that come our way and to be aware of the role of chance in our financial journey. Now let's discuss never enough. In this chapter, Housel explores the concept of enough and how ego and social comparisons can prevent us from being satisfied with our financial situation. He uses examples like John D. Rockefeller, one of the richest men in history, and Rajat Gupta, a former McKinsey executive. Both had immense wealth, but their pursuit of more led to personal struggles and poor health. This lesson teaches us to appreciate what we have and avoid the trap of always wanting more. Moving on to the confounding compounding. In this section, the focus is on the remarkable influence of compounding, which involves accumulating interest on previous interest over time. Housel illustrates this concept using the case of Warren Buffett, who initiated his investment early in life and credited a significant portion of his achievements to the compounding effect. This chapter emphasizes the significance of endurance, regularity, and recognizing the enduring advantages of minor actions over time. Next, we have getting wealthy versus staying wealthy. In The Psychology of Money, Housel emphasizes the significance of not only building wealth, but also safeguarding it through a blend of frugality and vigilance. Attaining wealth entails risk-taking and optimism, whereas maintaining it demands prudence and a dose of pessimism. Instances of those who amass riches but couldn't retain them serve as cautionary tales. True prosperity lies in wise money management, not in ostentation. Prioritize meaningful investments over mere displays of wealth. Now let's discuss tales you win. Housel defines tales as very rare occurrences, emphasizing that luck or chance can play a significant role in financial outcomes. He explains that financial outcomes often follow a power law, where a small number of events account for the majority of results. This perspective encourages us to be humble, curious, and open-minded about the unpredictability nature of financial success. Next, we have freedom. Housel shares his journey of aspiring to be an investor, idolizing those who found success in the stock market. However, upon entering the field, he discovered the immense sacrifices it demanded: long hours, constant pressure, and strained relationships. This disillusionment led him to reevaluate his priorities, realizing that money alone didn't equate to happiness. He delved into personal finance, psychology, and happiness, ultimately finding his true passion in writing. Despite earning less, he felt more fulfilled and understood that genuine wealth lies in living a purposeful life, making a positive impact, and evolving as a person. Morgan Housel's assertion that true power lies in the freedom to pursue one's desires resonates deeply. Do you concur with this perspective? Now let's delve into the man in the car paradox. Housel illustrates how our tendency to compare ourselves to others, especially in terms of material possessions, can lead to financial pitfalls. He tells the story of Tom, who believed owning a Ferrari would bring him success and admiration. However, Tom soon realized that material possessions don't guarantee happiness or respect. This lesson encourages us to focus on our goals and values rather than seeking validation through conspicuous consumption. Moving on to wealth is what you don't see. In a world inundated with images of opulence and luxury, Housel reminds us that appearances can be deceiving. He warns against the perilous pursuit of status and encourages us to focus on what truly brings us joy and fulfillment. This lesson prompts us to define wealth and happiness on our own terms and to use our resources in ways that enhance our well-being and provide us with genuine contentment. Finally, we have save money. Saving money is the cornerstone of building wealth and happiness. Ever wondered how much to save? It's not just about income, investments, or spending. What truly matters is what you retain. Saving provides certainty and security, in contrast to the uncertainties of making or investing money. It's not just about numbers, it's about mindset and emotions. Being humble and confident makes saving easier, while pride and insecurity can make it harder. Remember, saving isn't just about depriving yourself of joy, but about choosing what truly brings you happiness. So are you a spender or a saver? The author reminds us, wealth isn't just about what you earn, but what you keep. Thank you for joining us today on the Smart Finance Hub. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with fellow finance enthusiasts. For more in-depth insight on mastering your money habits, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell. Remember, true financial success starts with understanding and transforming your money mindset. And before you go, let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. Which lesson from the psychology of money resonate with you the most? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep making smart financial moves.